At the parcel of land located just after Hillcrest Schools off the main Karen Road, some show presence of activity. Lorries drive in and out loaded with soil. A few people mill around the area, and top-of-the-range cars blow dust, their presence signifying the stakes involved in this land that pits businessman, the Gama Rose, against former National Social Security Fund Managing Trustee Jose Gonzalo, who both claim to own the land. Mohamed Swazuri, the National Lands Commission chair, confirming yesterday to NTV who has the title to the land.
The records that I have seen myself is that the land belongs to Muchanga Investments.
In court, the said owner was back through city lawyer Cecil Miller after the land was allegedly invaded by grabbers in complete disregard to the court order issued back on the 3rd of September and extended on the 17th of the same month. This afternoon, fresh orders were issued, the old ones affirmed.
The court invokes the provision of Section 3 of the Civil Procedure Act and further orders and direct that the officer commanding Langata Police Station do assist in the enforcement of the order that was issued by this court of the 3rd of September 2014. And in doing so, the OCPD is to ensure that the status quo that were prevailing before 3rd of September are maintained.
The OCPD is required to ensure that nothing goes on the land. He will ensure no one puts any structure, sells, buys, or deals in the property in any way until a dispute registered in court is dispensed of with.
Parties herein are bound by the court orders, and the court orders that are issued must be respected, irrespective of whether the parties are dissatisfied with them.
The land is claimed by the Gama Rose under the name Muchanga Investment. However, on October 4th, unknown persons accompanied by officers from the Regular and Administration Police and officials from the Ministry of Lands allegedly turned up at the property claiming ownership, according to lawyer Cecil Miller.
And in the process of the invasion,
outside the court, a group of youth suspected to be hired by one of the disputing parties roughed up one of the agents of businessman the Gama Rose, calling him a land grabber. They also claim the land belongs to them. The unnamed agent was forced to retreat back into the court building, where he was whisked away through the back door. The police have been accused of complacency. However, that may change as the court has issued express orders wanting the police to ensure that the interim orders that were issued on the 3rd of September and later extended are fully complied with. And the parties will be back in court in the next 14 days to ensure that those orders are followed to the letter. Ken Mijungu, NTV.